shopper. I write reviews for various brands. I'm a designer too. I'm very happy to say that I have given my designs for my fellow contestants too. So, apart from this, a special thanks to Mr. Chaudhary Garu, the founder of Alkananda, for presenting this show, Miss AP 2020.
Pursuing my Bachelor of Technology from Anurag University, Hyderabad, Telangana. Yes, I'm a pearl from the city of pearls. I am here to live one of my biggest dreams of my life, walking the ramp. I thank each Adab.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నా పేరు అనుష. నేను విజయవాడ శ్రీ చైతన్య గోశాలలో గత 5 ఇయర్స్గా వైస్ ప్రిన్సిపల్గా వర్క్ చేస్తున్నాను. కళలు అందరూ కంటారు, కానీ ఆ కళల్ని కొంతమంది మాత్రమే నిజం చేసుకుంటారు. అలాంటి నా కళల్ని ఈ షో ద్వారా నెరవేర్చుకోవాలనే ఉద్దేశంతో నేను ఇక్కడికి వచ్చినాను. అలకనంద ప్రజెంట్స్ మిస్ ఏపీ 20లో నేను పార్టిసిపేట్ చేసినందుకు చాలా సంతోషంగా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నాను. ఇలాంటి అద్భుతమైన అవకాశాన్ని నాకు ఇచ్చినందుకు సతీష్ అడ్డాలా గారికి, చౌదరి గారికి నా హృదయపూర్వకమైన ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేసుకుంటూ నాతో ఉన్న పార్టిసిపేట్స్ అందరికీ నా హృదయపూర్వక శుభాకాంక్షలు తెలియజేస్తున్నాను. అందరికీ నమస్కారం, ధన్యవాదాలు.
Standing before you to introduce myself. Firstly, good evening, judges. I'm a girl who is more interested about all cultural activities. I do folk orchestra, folk dance, and I do stage dramas, which took me to the all south level. And my passion is to become a model, and that's the reason why I'm standing before you. And I'm very glad to be part of this show. Alkananda presents Miss AP 2020, and I especially thank Chaudhary sir. And thank you, Satish Adala sir, for giving me this wonderful opportunity. And all the best to my co-participants. Thank you.
Good evening, one and all. This is Jyotsna from Vijayawada, and I'm still pursuing my BTech final year right now. And నా గురించి వన్ షాట్లో చెప్పాలంటే I just always wants to be unique. And first of all, I thank Miss AP 2020 presented by Alkananda, and a special thanks to Satish Adala garu for giving us such a wonderful and beautiful opportunity. Thank you.
Hi, good evening everyone, and I am Uday Ranjini. I am from Vijayawada. My educational journey was quite normal until I reached my BSc Computers. After reaching my BSc Computers, things have been changed, and I witnessed the practical world, which leads me to think and handle the situations out of the box. From that time, I have started to follow my dreams and passion. As a part of my passion, I have worked in a landscaping company, which made me to be close with the nature and plants, and I have extracted many good things from plants and nature. And I am very glad to present myself and fulfill my passion in Miss AP 2020, presented by Alkananda Riverfronts and organized by SA Creative Events. And I wish my co-participants all the best. Thank you.
confidence and the courage to take up things that I'm passionate about in life. Being a CA, I realized that, while pursuing CA, I realized that I was more inclined towards acting. So immediately after attaining the degree, I started taking baby steps towards acting, and now I'm really enjoying it. I'm so thrilled to be part of this show, Miss AP 2020, presented by Alkananda and organized by Satish Adala Garu. The reason behind me standing here is just to enjoy the experience of this show. I would like to wind this up by a quote which goes like this: "No one can tell you how much you can do. It's you who set your own standards." Yeah, thank you and have a great evening.
Demonstration this year, and I'm very glad to be here and be a part of this marvelous event, Alkananda presents Miss AP 2020, and I'm very thankful to Satish Adala sir to give me this great opportunity. Thank you.
Right, good evening to one and all out there. I'm Lavanya Verma from Vijayawada. I'm studying BBA final year in Kerala University. I have a fantasy in becoming a model. I wanted to be a unique person. So Alkananda presents Miss 2020 AP and Satish Adala Garu, thanking you so much for giving this great opportunity. Thank you.
I'm Mary Stravi Rishika. I'm from the place of Victory, Vijayawada. I'm pursuing my 12th standard. My hobbies are painting, drawing, writing, singing and dancing. And I'm recently acting in a Telugu movie as a lead role. I'm so passionate towards acting and modeling. I really thank Satish Adala sir for giving me an opportunity. I'm pretty excited and happy to be a part of Alkananda Presents Miss AP 2020. Thank you.
Model by passion. I believe nothing words comes easy. It's hard work and determination. And a special thanks to Satish Adala Garu for giving this wonderful opportunity. And I'm very happy to be a part of this event, Alkananda Presents Miss AP 2020. And all the best to all my co-participants over here. May the best win. Thank you.
Good evening, judges. Hello, everyone. Andru Bhavanara. I am Anisha, and I'm from Vijayawada. And I'm now currently pursuing Bachelor's degree of Dental Sciences. And I'm also a Fashion Icon of the Year 2019. And now I'm here, all back on stage again, by the grace of Satish Adala sir. Thank you so much, Satish Adara, sir. And it wouldn't have been possible if it weren't for you. And last but not least, I'd like to welcome you all to Miss AP 2020, presented by Alakananda. And good luck to all my two co-participants. You all are doing good. Be confident. Thank you.
Hello, Andarki Namaskaram. Myself Keetana, I am from Warangal. I am studying inter second year with BIPC subject. I am very passionate about acting and model. My short-term goal is to complete my studies and my long-term goal is to become an actor. I am very happy to participate in Alakananda Process Miss AP 2020. Thank you so much Satish Adala sir garu for giving me such a beautiful opportunity. And thank you everyone for spending your valuable time. Thank you.
Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Khushi and I am studying intermediate first year in Vijayawada. I am a student as well as a tutor for primary students also. I love acting and modeling, so that's the reason why I am here on the stage. Even Miss AP 2020 event presented by Alakananda and organized by Satish sir. I am very thankful to all of you. Thank you.
I'm Shravani from Vijayawada. I'm a civil engineering graduate and also a Carnatic music vocalist. So currently I'm preparing for a competitive examination and my hobby is singing. Apart from that, I do have this habit of trying out different clothes and jewelry, making some mix and match kind of stuff because I love fusion kind of clothing style. So that is where everything has started. Like I thought that was attraction towards modeling, but later as I know a little more about modeling, like the basic work, like background work we do to be a model, like being physically fit, mentally fit, and also being a strong person, ignoring the negatives, all these kind of things attracted me so much that I thought of making it as a lifestyle rather than doing it just for the purpose of modeling. So these are the points that inclined me towards modeling. So I loved it so much. Later I realized that it is the love towards modeling, not the attraction. So this is about me, and I would also like to thank Alakananda for being the main pillar for this event, Miss AP 2020, and also Satish sir for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much.
So, good evening everyone. My name is Kishma Osha and I'm a BTech final year student and I'm also a silver medalist in horse riding. I would like to thank Satish Adara sir for inspiring me and getting me back onto this stage. And also Alakananda, thank you so much for sponsoring such an amazing event. Thank you. Have a very lovely evening.
thank Satish Adala sir from the bottom of our heart for giving this wonderful opportunity. Thank you. Have a good day.
Hello all, a very warm good evening to one and all. My name is Hima. I'm working as a junior business analyst with Apple. I really love modeling and I enjoy being in front of camera. And I'm also a fitness freak person. When I was in childhood, I was into social service. I really enjoy that. My ultimate goal is to stand in a good position in the profession that I love, and parallelly I was always want to provide a good kind of education to orphan childs, especially to girls. I don't believe in miracles. I only believe in the hard work and patience. And the strength of my hard work comes from my parents. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, Satish Adala sir. And also I'm very happy to be a part of this beautiful event presented by Alkananda Miss AP 2020. Thank you everyone. Have a lovely evening. Thank you.
రెండు మాటలు మాట్లాడాలిగా మా కోసం.
గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్. యాక్చువల్గా ఇప్పుడు దాకా నేను చాలా షోస్ చేశాను, బట్ ఇంత గ్రాండ్గా అయితే ఇది నేను ఫస్ట్ టైం చేస్తున్నాను. ఇంత గ్రాండ్గా చేయడానికి కారణం నాకు జయశంకర్ అన్నయ్య, అదే సేమ్ టైం ఏవి చౌదరి గారు. ఆయన అడగగానే ఇలా ప్లాన్ చేస్తామని అడగగానే నేనున్నాను, నువ్వు చేయాల్సింది నువ్వు చేయి అనుకుని నేను ఉంటానని నన్ను ఎంకరేజ్ చేశారు. ఆయనకి స్పెషల్ థ్యాంక్స్. అంటే థ్యాంక్స్ సరిపోదు, ఎందుకంటే ఇంత పెద్ద ప్రాజెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నామంటే ఖచ్చితంగా మన వెనకాల ఎవరో ఒకరిని సపోర్ట్ చేయాలి. అది ఆ దేవుడే పంపించాడు అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఈ టైంలో, ఈ కరోనా టైంలో అసలు అంత పెద్ద షో చేయడం అనేది నార్మల్ విషయం కాదు, అది మీ అందరికీ తెలుసు. బట్ నేను ఎంత చెప్పినా ఆయన గురించి తక్కువే. అలాగే ఇంత గ్రాండ్గా ఈవెంట్ చేయడానికి నాకు జయశంకర్ అన్నయ్య కూడా అంతే కారణం, అంతే సపోర్ట్ ఇచ్చాడు. అలాగే నేను పిలవగానే వచ్చిన జడ్జెస్కి దీపు గారికి, విజయమూర్తి గారికి, మంజు గారికి స్పెషల్ థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్పుకుంటున్నాను. ఇంకా చెప్పుకోవాల్సిన విషయం ఏంటంటే వీళ్ళు బ్యూటిఫుల్గా నడవడానికి కారణం శ్రావణి గారు. ఆవిడ 3 days కష్టపడి ఇంత ట్రైన్ చేశారు, అది మీరు అందరూ చూశారు. ఇంకా నేను ఇలాంటి షోలు చాలా చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాను మీ సపోర్ట్తో. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.